Welcome! Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial with the Homeright Spray Shelter and the Homeright Max Super Sprayer, and we're going to be refinishing my dining room chair, and it has fabric on it we're going to be replacing, and we're also going to sand it and repaint it, and so it's going to go from this to this. Okay, first we're going to take the cushion off the chair in preparation for painting, and I'm going to use this rigid sander to sand down the wood and take off the top finish. What's great about this triangle shape of the sanding pad is it's really great to get in between the wooden slats on this chair that go on the back. Next, we are going to fill our Homeright Max Super Sprayer with our 4 chairs antique white water-based paint. And I'm going to use the green tip on the sprayer so I get the amount of spray I want. Next, while the paint is drying, we're going to take our cushion and we're going to remove the fabric off the back by removing the staples, and then we're going to reupholster it with a new fabric. I bought this bolt at Joann's, and I'm going to cut out the fabric that's the same size as this one and staple it on. Thanks to my Homeright tools, this product was simple and came out great. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using my Homeright Spray Shelter and my Homeright Max Super Sprayer. We're going to be refinishing our kitchen chair, and it's been
No, I didn't.
You went like this.
I know. I'm trying to entertain myself. This is a really long 20 seconds.
And so what I'm going to do is we're going to turn it from this into this.
Hey, you got freeze forever. Can't. Just watch you totally be able to see you move. You can't be laughing, you got it sucks.